a member of the OECD seeds and crops. We have agricultural crops, we have ornamentals, we have fruits, and so on. They discuss the technical nitty-gritty. Countries are together. Again, it has a top organ, which is the council, where the managers call working parties. These working parties discuss technical.
We are warning all merchants who might be intending to sell fake seed, especially during the short rains, that our inspectors will be moving across the country, inspecting all agro-vets and outlets for seeds, and anybody found selling fake seeds is going to be arrested and taken to court according to the Seed and Plant Varieties Act.
We have the business of ensuring that the Kenyan farmer is protected from receiving or planting the fake seeds which affect the production and eventually affect our food production system. So we are very serious on these matters. We are going also to those areas where we have not been before. We are establishing offices where we need the offices so that we can serve the Kenyan farmer in the best way possible.